Good effort, good effort. There you're in now, Jen. Get in the box.
Oh, she's very good. Now shoots. Yes. Oh, great save. Great save.
Yeah, go, Layla.
Space. Oh yes, run onto that. Go, 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 go. The one. All the time, take your spot, pick your spots. Yes!
Yeah,
off the corner!
Finally, Dad.
After I said we never score off the corner.
Yeah, call that one.
Bad luck, and again, Nick. And again, well done, Tash. Well done.
Well done, Tash. Hit it, Jen.
Oh!
Bad luck, keeper. Well done, Jen.
Good on, Jen. Come on, Tash. Right finish. Right finish. Yeah, definitely.
James, Jack will do it with you.
Okay.
I'll tell him you've got
Tash.
Brilliant. Toys, right?
Save goalie. Oh, lucky.
Go towards her, that's it.
Yeah, good covering.
Why is there so many dogs?
Lala.
Yes, keep going.
Disgusting hot chocolate. Disgusting hot chocolate. And
One in front, one behind.
Back post then, someone.
Some,
oh, wait a minute.
She's got somebody on the back post.
Oh, wait a minute. That's not my
Oh, what a goal!
I just made the name.
Space.
Move,
Space, you're not moving.
Well done, after it.
Now go back post. Well done, Chloe.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. Oh!
Well done, Chloe. Good cross. Go on, drive it on. Oh, great pass. Great ball. Go on, get in the box.
Get to the back post. Back post. Pick it up. Oh,
Right,
good on to it.
Good
Nobody
save.
there. Well done.
Listen, you get in there, draw it to you.
Oh!
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's got him too.
I'm Jack Bowser, I'm the assistant manager of the girls under 13s.
I'm Chelsea and I'm playing left back. I'm Jennifer and I'm a striker. I'm Katie and I'm centre mid.
Thrilling scoreline.
Great performance, yeah. It's we did have a word with the girls at half time to try and get them passing the ball a bit more in the pitch. At the end of it, I thought they played fantastically. The ball was manipulated and played brilliantly, and then we ended up with an excellent scoreline at the end.
The manager was expecting about 15 today, not far off.
Not far, no. Maybe we could have pushed it a little bit better, maybe forced more attacking, but in the end I was still happy with the result.
Okay. Right, to the players. Who'd like to speak first?
I think we played very well and we started off quite slow at the start, but then we progressed and got a bit faster as the game went on, and we started to develop the pitch and the weather a bit more faster.
Okay, anybody else want to chip in?
I think when we were passing the ball we need to take some off it because it was just hitting the ground and just skidding off.
Okay, brilliant. Last words, anybody want to chip in? Last words?
Yeah, but I think we all worked together really well to try and get it all complete and pass it really well, and we all had composure to finish it and shooting.
Okay, thank you very much everybody.
Super.